this video, we will look at what is type alias in Swift and how to use it. In this example, we have defined 3 emojis explicitly as a string and use a list to display them. Using type alias, we can provide an alternative name for existing type. In this case, we have defined each of the emojis as a string. So you can use type alias to provide an appropriate name for an existing type. Instead of saying each of the emojis is a string, we can say each of them is an emoji. To do that, we use the type alias keyword to define an alternative type for the string. So here we can say type alias emoji equals string. Then instead of defining each of the emojis explicitly as a string, we can say each of them is an emoji. This gives the same result, but over here you can see we have an appropriate name emoji for each of the characters. So this is how you can use the type alias keyword in Swift to provide an alternative name for an existing type.